Hello there, and welcome back to Doodle Rust Designs, your one-stop shop for all your character design, illustration, and doodle needs. I've got myself a cup of coffee and some chocky treats, along with a mixture of materials today, as I'm going to look at both line art cleanup and adding colour to my page of Doodle Blobs. I'm keen in these videos to show use of different materials, from alcohol to acrylic markers, colour pencil, and today some watercolour washes. First, I'm going to clean up my pencil sketch with a medium-sized brush pen using a variety of thick and thin line quality, bringing to life the characters from the initial loose shapes that form the Doodle Blob title. As I mentioned in my previous video, which if you haven't watched, do please go and have a look. I looked at an old sketchbook with some old character designs, and then this new series, which seeks to explore how new ideas, characters and worlds can come from fluid, unconscious starting points. The moose, the bird and snake characters here, mixed with humans and donuts, formed from my Doodle Blob scribbles. The idea will be to see if any of the characters that grow organically from these Doodle Blob journeys can develop into more refined versions and maybe appear in Milton Milton. If you're not aware, Milton Milton is the town where my characters live. That's why you need to watch every video. There is a highly developed story arc to this nonsense, you know. As I finish the final touches of this dramatic doodle-rama, not easy to say, you know, with a mouthful of Quality Street's toffee penny, I'll pop on the tune to ease us into some colour. For the last few videos I've posted, including Punk Nan and my short series of cute and ugly animals, if you haven't seen them, do please check them out. Some real humdingers. I've been using alcohol and acrylic markers and colour pencil for texture. For this video, I'm mixing all three to show contrast of colour and to play with how the watercolour can give more variety in light and dark shades. Little bit of magic trickery coming up. Shazam! Not only do I speed up the colouring, your paintbrush disappears too. One thing I really enjoy doing when using watercolours is adding colour pencil over the top. Give it that sort of grainy, textural quality, whether that's fur, feathers or a stubbly beard. As I finish the markings on the side of this snaky S, I do hope you enjoyed the journey over these two videos, from the kind of subconscious, loose, rambling shapes of the first video, through into the clean-up, pen work and colour on this one, mixing watercolours, colour pencils and alcohol markers. So there we are, first in an ongoing series of what I'm going to call the Doodle Blobs. And remember, as always, keep on doodling.